Hello, I'm Micheál Kelliher and I'm here in County Kerry in the southwest of Ireland, quite a distance from Dublin and more so from London. I'm using Irish Sign Language. I'm a member of the community branch of the Tom Stokes branch, and I'm proud that the branch has already approved their nomination of Howard Beckett. I myself personally have been very interested and involved in his campaign of Howard Beckett, his election campaign as General Secretary of and the top role within the administration of the Union Unite. I see from his manifesto very detailed and a lot of very interesting components, but what I want to do is to focus in on is the healthcare service and Unite TV. In relation to healthcare service, there's been very detailed and interesting components. We've seen that healthcare workers have worked a very difficult job in complex circumstances during the COVID-19 pandemic. Howard has promised that he will, one, put demands on a pay increase of 15% for those healthcare workers. Two, free membership for those who are studying, for example, nurses and paramedics. Three, to get involved in a campaign to prevent the public healthcare system being privatized, so to prevent privatization. Four, to stand with Irish members in their campaign for a one-tiered healthcare system, to expand public healthcare and for it to be free to all users. Five, to be involved in a very strong concerted campaign for healthcare workers. We've seen that healthcare workers seem to be very undervalued and we need to increase their standing, as well as Howard does not believe that these workers should be on minimum wage due to the complex and difficult job that they're involved in, and that minimum wage should not apply. So you can see there's a lot of healthcare, very interesting issues in healthcare. I now want to move on to Unite TV. Often that we'll see that if there's issues that are happening in the workplace or within the community, we see that major broadcast companies don't deem them to be important. And we deserve to know what is actually happening within our members, what's happening in their workplace, what's happening within their communities. So Howard wants to establish Unite TV. This would have fact-checking programs, news, educational content, and the information would be broadcasted 7 days a week. It would also include various language options, including various sign language options such as Irish Sign Language, British Sign Language, and so on. And it's phenomenal to see that Howard is not forgetting about the various minorities and is including deaf communities. So if you are a member of the branch, I would ask you please to support the branch's nomination of Howard, and at a later stage then to give your vote to Howard Beckett as the General Secretary of Unite. Okay, thank you.